Welcome to AI Learning Lens, your go-to channel for mastering AI in everyday work and boosting your office productivity. Today, we're diving deep into Agentic AI, the revolutionary future of autonomous systems transforming how we work in offices every day. Agentic AI refers to intelligent agents, often powered by large language models like GPT-4, that act autonomously to achieve user-defined goals. Unlike simple chatbots that just respond linearly, these agents can perceive their environment, plan multi-step actions, reason through problems, integrate tools like APIs and browsers, and execute tasks independently without constant human intervention. These advanced systems break down complex objectives into manageable subtasks using techniques like chain of thought or tree of thought reasoning, iterate on failures through self-reflection and memory, and adapt dynamically to new information, truly exhibiting agency in their sophisticated operations. In modern offices, Agentic AI automates email triage with tools like Superhuman or Gmail API integrations that sort, prioritize, and draft replies, schedules meetings using Reclaim.ai or Clara to check calendars and book slots, analyzes spreadsheets rapidly with Microsoft Copilot, and even drafts detailed reports from raw data. The key benefits include massive time savings of up to 10 hours per week for knowledge workers, as per McKinsey Global Institute estimates, reducing errors by 40% in decision-making tasks according to Gartner 2024 reports, and freeing you up for high-value creative and strategic work that drives real innovation. Just imagine an AI agent seamlessly handling your overflowing inbox, categorizing urgent emails and auto-replying to routine ones, while you stay deeply focused on crafting business strategy. McKinsey's June 2023 report estimates that generative AI, the foundation for these agents, can automate 60 to 70% of typical office activities, unlocking trillions in global economic value. For a concrete example, tools like AutoGPT, released on March 30th, 2023, by Tor and Bruce Richards, can autonomously research topics via web searches, write content, execute code, and iterate on projects without needing constant user input, showcasing real-world agentic capabilities. Are you ready to supercharge your office workflow with Agentic AI? If this video opened your eyes, like it now, subscribe to AI Learning Lens for weekly AI productivity tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.